everyone, so today we're gonna do a cool little video. So we're gonna do like this challenge. It's called the Google Picks My Makeup Challenge, and I got it from NikkieTutorials video. She basically said put your combine those first two letters, so mine is JD, Jasmill de Los Santos, and put look after it. So I did that and I put JD look, and she said pick the first picture and then try to do a makeup look or use this picture as like inspiration or something like that. So that's what I did, and this is what I got. I literally got a horse, JD look, this beautiful black brown chocolate horse with, and it's like a poster I guess, and they're like selling it or something, and it has orange and cream and a little bit of metallic up here if you look up closely. So I think this one is pretty easy. I'm gonna try to do like a brown red smoky eye look with a little bit of like a coppery metallic on the lid, and then really defined dark eyebrows, really fluffy black eyelashes, and probably an orange lipstick. Okay, I'm gonna try to mix these two lipsticks together because it's kind of like a reddish orange metallic lipstick. So I'm gonna put these together. I'm gonna use my Morphe 35K palette just because it's like the easiest and simplest for me to just pick from.
Hoy me quedó bien. Me dice, me puse con arribita, le puse, mira, y le cambio.
Ooh, I should also use my Hudabeauty Dusk. Like this orange will look. I'm literally just taking this color right here and then the brighter orange one right here. All right, now that I want to put a more chocolatey dark brown color, so probably this and this, more like on the lid and then the outer corner. Now we are going to cut our crease, and then we're gonna put on the metallic. All right, so I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer and a flat thin brush, if I can find it. It's always like right in front of me and I just can't see it. See? Right in front of me and I just can't see it. And I always look up just so I can see like where my lid really is. Something like this. All right, now that we have the base, I want it to look a little bit more sparkly and like glittery. So I want to put on this $1 glitter from shopmissa. Bit to make everything like a little bit more like cut and precise. All right, and now I'm just gonna clean everything up. I'm gonna do my face, my base, my concealer, baking, just all of that because I want to do it really quick, and I actually might just use because rum is like perfect, like bronzy metallic-y color. Take Le Bronze and Le Peach from artistcouture. Right on top just to brighten everything up. This color called Get Paid from Colourpop. It's a beautiful color. That perfect coppery orange bronze as well. All right, I'm back with pretty lashes, and these are the SofieBella lashes, or no, SofieBella lashes. I always want to call her Sophia, but her name's not Sophia. The last thing is lips, and we're gonna take some Jordana Cocoa Liner And lately I've been loving overdrawing my top lip a little bit and then going like straight down. Kind of like making my top lip a little bit like thinner but still pouty on top. Now we're gonna take the metallic Fame lipstick from Colored Raine. Spiked Punch, more burnt orange color. Ugh. Final step is brightening up those inner corners. And I'm just using the shimmer shade right here. Alright, done! Alright, do I look like JD Look? Do I look like it? Do I look like it, guys? Orangey, chocolate brown, smoky eye. That's what I came up with. So I hope you guys like it. Press thumbs up if you want to see me do more Google Pics my makeup looks. I'm not sure what the next challenge is, but this was interesting and different and everything, and I really like the smoky eye, this orange smoky eye. You guys think, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't. Thank you. Bye.